So guys, today we are going to explain how to install SQL Server in your machine, and also what is the syllabus and what depth we are going to cover. So you guys will see everything today only. So let's start. So I'll request to Akash to start the things.
Hello, hi guys, Akash this side.
Hi Akash.
So, first of all, I want to show you how to download SQL Server. So, I have prepared a Word file. So, this is the link from where you can install the SQL Server, and here are all the steps for this. So, I'll be sharing this file to you. Okay, if you got any problem, you can anytime ping me if you have any problem in downloading. Okay,
Akash, can you share your screen?
1 minute. So, guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
So, here is the link from where you can download the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, Akash, go ahead.
Okay. And also, here are all the steps for downloading. If anybody get any problem in downloading, you can anytime ping me. I will help you out in downloading this. So, I'll be sharing this file to all of you. Okay.
Okay.
So guys, I'm sharing the link in inbox also. So you can copy the link from there. So everybody got the link?
Yes.
Okay, now we'll discuss about the syllabus that we are covering in this training. So we are covering all the clauses and operators, with clause, with ties clause, all the arithmetic operators, wildcard operators, and we are covering all stored procedures, triggers, and we are start from the scratch, and we will go to the advanced level. Okay, so I'll give you the real time experience for this.
Okay.
Okay, and I will start from creating the database, dropping the database, how you can restore the database, how you can create new database, and how you're gonna create new tables in database, all about the joins, different tables.
Okay.
and we will cover all the functions also, like mathematical functions, conversion functions, date function, all kinds of functions actually.
Okay.
So I will also provide the training for encryption and decryption in database, how you can encrypt the data in where binary and save it to table, and how you can decrypt it from the database with using master key in database, right?
Okay.
So everything will be covered in this complete training. So anybody have any questions so far?
No, not yet.
So,
No.
No, Akash.
guys, things is like that. Actually, whatever syllabus is mentioned is the minimum syllabus that we have the mentioned over the website, and also that what I have shared you PDF file. But the thing is that we are not going to cover only that part. We'll surely cover more than that, right? So minimum syllabus we have shared is because everything sharing in that platform is not understandable for everybody, right? So whatever relevant was covered in the syllabus, but the next thing is that it's not the sufficient amount that I have shared to you. So I have seen in many trainings that they shared a lot of amount and still they revoke their promises and they don't complete that syllabus only. So here things is, things are not like that. So I have not covered the store procedure and the triggers. I forgot somewhat. So instantly I added that, and surely without store procedures and trigger there is no database, right? So we'll start from very beginning, right? So we will start from creating database. What is SQL server that you are going to learn? Not only about SQL queries, administration handling in SQL database also, that's SQL server you will learn. So many people have sent me the query that what database I am going to learn. So they asked that Oracle is there. So there will be a common environment, so where you can match up with the Oracle and as well as SQL also. So at the end of the course, if you find that in your company Oracle is the database that you want to learn, so we'll make sure that you will find minimum differences between these two databases. If you learn any of that software, then it will be okay for you, right? So don't worry about the SQL, right? So SQL, after these trainings, I hope that whatever database system you are going to perform will not hamper you to write the SQL queries, right? So if you want to if you want to join three tables, four tables, five tables, so our task will be to complete joins, right? So after completion of joins, you can join any number of tables. It depends on you how much you practice, right? So suppose I say today that this course will cover all the three levels for database testers, for the developers and the DBAs, right? So this means simply the complexity of the SQL. This doesn't mean that we will cover level one first, then level two, then all the levels will be going to parallel, right? So suppose today I am going to give lectures on the joints, right? So next day or maybe 1 or 2 day classes after that, you will be able to handle all the complexities, right? So depends on you how much you practice, right? So our goal is just to explain the topic, right? And how can you practice, we'll send those links, some assignments, right? So depends on you. It's totally depends on your practice only, right? So I have few more batches, right? Automation batches I am running. So many people have already joined and and they're experiencing good, and that's why in this batches, in this batch also, some of you guys have joined in SQL batch, right? So my focus will be that you should able to perform any SQL query after this course. Still, if you don't find that the course is not relevant, then then I don't hope that it will be, because after this course surely you will be able to do anything in, you will be able to play with the SQL queries, right? But totally depends on you from day one to last day how much you practice, right? So now how will you get your assignments, where you will get your assignments? So from this Sunday, Sunday evening 9 p.m, after that you will get a link to join the Google Classroom account. All your course materials, all your video recordings link, and all your assignments will be posted on that Google Classroom only. It's not compulsory to download that app, right? So you can directly browse with the your laptop also, so you don't need to download any app in your mobile. If you want to get notified every time instantly, then you can download that app, right? So and there is one more thing, that whosoever has enrolled is already in that particular WhatsApp group, so you can directly reach out to Akash. But Akash is working, I am also working. So 90 80 90% of people that submitted our form are working. So it's not possible for you asking queries every time, it's not possible for me and Akash to reply every time, right? So there will be a time to reply. We have maintained the 45-15 minutes ratio. So first or last 15 minutes will be your query solving, because this is morning session, right? And the last 15 minutes, either the first 15 minutes or the last 15 minutes will be your query solving. Okay. So this will be your criteria to work with, right? So now if anybody has any query related course, whatever syllabus is there, I said I will again say that that is minimum, right? Suppose we submit any form in database, right? And our password gets submitted, so anyone can access those password, right? Who is database administrator? Suppose Facebook, you create a Facebook account, but still Facebook people will not able to see your password, right? How? Because the encrypted form of the password was submitted in database, right? So it is handled at database level only, not in code level. In code level, if it is handled, it is crackable, it can be part of the SQL injection, right? So everything that comes under the encryption, decryption, store procedure, triggers, these will be key topics for us. And whatever you learn in college days, many people message me that this I have already learned in college, what is new thing? So every day you will learn new thing. That's my promise, that's Akash promise to you guys to deliver. And the thing is that uh, from day one to last day, we will keep saying that it's totally depends on you how much you practice. If you'll keep asking questions, we'll replying that, right? If you're not asking the questions, maybe it's 5 week course will be finished in 3 weeks, right? Maybe 2 weeks, or maybe 5 weeks course goes to 7 weeks. It depends on you. There is no timeline, right? The timeline that I have given to you, 5 weeks, is of us that we are thinking that 1 week will be your query solving, because 45 and 15 minutes ratio, right? So because I don't have any other faculty to provide you to resolve your queries or automation, I have multiple friends, but I'm starting this SQL batch very new, right? So I want you guys to make it success. So now if anybody has any doubt, can ask me.
Yes, I want to ask, is there any difference in MySQL?
Yeah, Akash will reply that.
There is no
Hi
such
Akash.
difference in my yeah. So there is no such difference in MySQL and MS SQL, but some of the syntax, some of the functions are different in MySQL and MS SQL.
Okay. After this, just I want to know that if we want to handle MySQL, then we have to practice a part of this, or this is sufficient to handle that.
Just some of the functions are different in MySQL. All other things are same. So this is sufficient for you. This training is sufficient for you for learning MySQL or MS SQL.
I have one more query.
Yes.
Database engine depend upon my SQL. Suppose I have heard about the MongoDB.
Okay.
What is this?
MongoDB is like MS SQL. MongoDB is also a new kind of database. So actually, the main thing is the syntaxes are different in different databases, but the main thing is if you want to join some table, so you must know like you have to join with left join, or you will need inner join. So this is the difference.
Okay.
Main thing is logic. So only the syntaxes are different
Okay.
in different databases.
Okay. Because just in
And
my
actually, MS
company.
SQL.
Guys, think
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Akhilesh, actually the thing is that our our focus is not to cover the MongoDB or the MySQL server or the SQL server or the Oracle, right? Our focus is SQL,
Okay.
right? So we'll focus on
Okay.
this language that we actually perform. Right, MongoDB is like your NoSQL, so you don't need to write any SQL query over there. This will be handled by their own, right? But the thing is that we where focus is the basic things that people normally ignoring those things, right? If I ask someone to write any store procedure, right, so they will think of
Yes.
what is store procedure, right? If you don't know what is store procedure, then you cannot rely on any tool, right, like MySQL or the SQL server. So focus is the course is all about the SQL. So we'll not focus outside. First we'll complete all the syllabus that we have mentioned, right? After that, also I have told that the minimum syllabus is this, and the next thing is that how we'll perform the encryption, decryption, and a lot more things to come, right? But the thing is that focus is SQL only. After completion of this course, if you guys say that okay, can you cover this topic also, there is no problem for us, right? So we have heard about lot of databases, not only MongoDB, there are in market. So also technology increasing day by day. So focus is SQL only, right?
Okay. Yes. No problem.
Anybody else has any doubt? Guys, actually thing is that you can ask your doubts here today. Let me show you the Google, your YouTube channel where you will find all your recordings. All recordings will be in private mode only, right? So whatever email ID that you have provided me, suppose anybody has given me abc@gmail.com. Okay, so if you have given me abc@gmail.com, and if you want to watch the recording, then log in with abc@gmail.com only, right? If you are logging with some different email ID, you cannot watch that video. It will be showing you private video, right? So we will be sharing all videos in private mode only, right? And you have to log in with the same email ID that you are registered with, right? So don't think that it will be public. Every video will be private only. Today's session and the coming one or two session may be public, but all these sessions will be private. Here we'll create a playlist, right? So you will find all your playlist. Once we will upload any video, right, so you will be getting the email link here in your email account. Also we'll be keep posting that in your Google Classroom account. Sorry guys. So yeah,
Yeah.
so
So
anybody
anybody
has
has
any
any
doubt?
doubt?
So
So
guys,
guys,
this is
this is
your
your
Google
Google
YouTube
YouTube
account,
account,
right?
right?
So
So
here
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 you will
you
be
will
here
here
you
you
will
will
be
be
getting
getting
all
all
your
your
videos uploaded, right? And the next thing is that anybody who has suppose you log in with the abc@gmail.com. So only with the login, suppose here I have logged in with this email ID, right? college to industry@gmail.com. So if you have given me in at the time of registration whatever email ID you have provided me, using that email ID only, you will be able to view that video, right? So if you are logging with the some different email ID, this will be showing you a private video, right? So all recordings will be uploaded. Sometime it may be happen that things goes wrong and recording is not proper and not available. So I will request everybody to join on time. So from Monday we will start sharp at 7 a.m., right? Because all of us are working, right? So don't think that we have given time of 7 a.m. and we will start at 7:15. No, maybe 7 to 7:15 will be your doubt session, right? So after that doubt session, if you asking in WhatsApp, so that may be not relevant to you and to your trainer also, right? So by end of this week, means on Sunday, I will be sharing you the Google Classroom code, everyone who have registered with us. So you will getting this Google Classroom code and join that. All your materials, all your data, everything will be shared. Every assignment will be shared on that platform only. That will be also private. You can download from there, right? And the thing is that please keep watching this channel. In this channel you will get all your recordings in private mode only, right? So don't think that it will be public videos. Also we have automation batches. 40 plus videos are available. So very early we are going to start new automation batches, right? So Akash will be take care of all the things related to your trainings. And if any problem comes outside of the training, right? Just like recording is not available, just like assignment you are not able to access, you can directly reach out to me, right? So suppose Akash is giving some SQL query in your class, right? So in class only he will tell now what you have to perform, right? So just suppose we are joining two tables, three tables, then uh, two column from this table, two column from that, and in three tables there are two columns to join. So he will suggest you now you can join next two columns, right? So it is SQL is not kind of thing that you need to have any assignment. You can already you can make assignment by your own also, right? So still if you have any query you can ask me today. Please don't ask queries related to uh, any irrelevant thing. Just like I said that you will have any classroom account, but people after completion of the half of the course, people ask where to access the assignment, how to join the Google Classroom. So this will be wasting your time only. So that's why I'm saying in day one that we will sharing how will you will join that. Let me share the screen. See,
So Akash, will you share that file also in Google Classroom?
Yes.
It would be good if you share early because Vandan said that they will create the Google Classroom on Sunday. If you share today, so we will install today.
yeah, sure. So I will share that. And you all guys are in FB group or not? So okay, we will share this file in WhatsApp group, so don't worry about that, right?
Okay, thank
And
you.
also we can mail you. So we have that uh, platforms available as of now. Let me share screen so that everyone can know how they will join the Google Classroom. I hope you guys can see my screen. So this is so guys, this is classroom.google.com. I hope you guys can see my screen. Classroom.google.com, right? So if I will click here,
Not audible.
yeah, now am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. See, this is classroom.google.com, right? So here you can see this is your plus icon, right? So if I click on this plus icon and I create any class, right? So you don't have to create any class, you have to join class, like click on plus icon and join class, right? So here once you will click on join class, here you have to paste some code. This code I will provide you, right? So we have not created as of now, so but you should know how will you join. So this is the mechanism to join Google Classroom, right? Let me show you. Suppose I go to this classroom, so it will be showing you like that, right? And here how where you will find all your assignment. So classwork, in this here you will find all your assignment. This is automation batch assignment, so all your assignment will be posted here only, right? So suppose you join, so you will be able to see your name here, right? And just like this, right? So this classwork will have all your assignments, right? You will not see this create button. This is for us, right? So this way you will join your classroom account, right? Suppose someone says that I didn't get any meeting link, right? Just go to calendar.google.com, right? You will see all your meetings here, right? 7 a.m., right? Next day you will able to see 7 a.m., right? So currently we have created only for this day, but from Monday you will be getting all your email invites, right? So keep checking your email. All emails you will get by college to industry at the rate gmail.com only in future, right? So you have to uh, reach out to that emails also. So let me check what are the queries here. Yeah, this is about is SQL and PL SQL are on the same, and what is the recommended book? So this Akash will reply you. Akash, can you tell what is the recommended book for SQL? And the next thing is that I for my option need to be chosen to install. Okay, so for macOS we'll tell you how to install that, we'll share that. But the thing is that maximum of people are using the Windows OS only. Now Akash will drive the things.
So the difference between SQL and PL, SQL is uh, in SQL we write simple queries like to create table DDL commands and DML commands. Okay, this is in SQL, and in PL SQL we write functions, triggers and procedures. So I will share you the book name. It's some like Navate for SQL and PL SQL. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yes, fine.
So I will share you the book name also in WhatsApp group. It's Shamkant B. Nawate, I think. So I will share you the exact name of the writer and the book name. Okay.
Okay.
So anybody has any other question?
Akash, I have installed. I already installed SQL Server 2016. Should I need to update 2019?
No, 2016 is enough.
Okay.
Yeah, hi Akash. I am using MySQL Workbench. Will it be okay for practicing?
Some for some functions you will get the problem in
Yeah,
sorry,
the full join it won't work there.
sorry.
Uh, as of my knowledge, now full join won't work there. Full join in join type, full join won't work there.
Okay, okay. So yes, you will be getting some issues in different functions or different keywords. Some of the keywords are different in MySQL and MS SQL.
Then which would you prefer us to?
I will share the Word file, so you have to download the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio.
Okay, it won't take so too much space. Now my laptop RAM is only 4 GB. Will it support?
Yeah, yeah, it will support in 4 GB.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So we are good. If you have to ask anything, then you can ask. Otherwise, this was just an introduction of the course. Any syllabus related thing you want to ask. In the PDF file, the Word file, everything is mentioned step by step, right? So just follow those steps. If you still face some problem, then you can reach out to us.
Where is that PDF file?
We'll provide that file.
Okay.
So from Monday we are starting the trainings, right? So we'll hope that everybody will install the system at in last Sunday only, so that it we can make it practical session. Suppose we are typing some SQL query in our machine, right? So what you can do, similarly, you can also type in your machine just by joining from the laptop, right? So if you will join from mobile, some points you will forget, right? So we are giving lectures here, so you guys can practice with us, right? So parallelly we'll be doing the things.
What we need to install SQL Server?
Yeah.
Okay. Through Google, we can easily get download link.
Yeah, it's very easy to install actually. It will not take lot of time, right? It will just software install and next, and
Okay,
sometimes
okay.
it need to set up the your
What? SQL Server, no? SQL Server.
port only.
SQL Server.
Yeah, I'm talking about SQL Server. We'll
Okay.
share the file.
Okay.
So just like Bilal asked, what is the difference between SQL and MySQL Workbench? So actually, these things will be covered in your training part, right? So we are going to cover basically SQL Server only, right? So MySQL Workbench is something different, right? And this is the kind of tool where you can work on, and SQL is something different, right? So duration of the course is actually 5 weeks, right? Maximum 5 weeks. It can be extended to 6 weeks. But if you will not ask queries, it may be like to 3 weeks also, right? It depends on you how much you push on to explore your knowledge. Yeah, we have pasted the link, Adam. You can copy from there. And according to syllabus, we'll cover this within 2 or 3 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks, and maximum 5 weeks. This is our timeline to finish on. But still, if you have some new points to cover on, just like if you want to learn if you want to get an introduction about the PLSQL, TSQL, so you can ask us. We can also cover that. But the agenda is to cover syllabus first, right? We are not going beyond the syllabus first. First, we'll cover the every topic that we have mentioned there. Also, some points that have not mentioned there will be just like encryption, description, algorithms that you will work with SQL, how to encrypt and decrypt the data in SQL. So these points and some other topics also that will be needed to work on any live project, we'll cover those also. Just like previously I have not mentioned store procedure and triggers, those will be also covered. Depends on you, your curiosity, your ability to learn, it will take us to increase that course, right? So don't think this is maximum syllabus. The what would they mentioned is actually 3 weeks course, but we always keep 1 week in buffer, so that we every anybody request to complete some new topics, then we can cover those also. So around this will be 4 to 5 weeks course. So that guys, we are good. If you have to ask some new points, you want to solve some new queries, you can ask. Otherwise, we will leave for the day. We'll start from Monday.
Okay, Madan. So the class timing is the 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and Monday to Thursday. Am I correct?
Yeah, yeah, Monday to Thursday.
Okay. Okay.
Tomorrow no class.
Yes.
Oh,
Friday.
right.
Yes.
Yeah, Friday no class. Okay.
Okay, so I hope you guys are good, and I'm also good this side. So thank you for attending today's session. So we'll start on Monday.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Thank you, Madan and
Thank,
Akash.
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, guys.
Thank you, Vandan and Akash.